Welcome back, campers. Today we're trying the John West tuna bowl. Tuna meatballs and fajita sauce with beans, big peppers and rice. Thought this might be alright on the trail as well. I've just emptied the contents into my cooking pot and cook it. 2 minutes in the microwave though. Let's try that. Here we go then. Ready? Let's have a little taste. See what it's like. Tuna meatballs. It's really nice flavour. Really nice flavour actually. Yeah, I could definitely take that on trail. That's really nice. It's nice and yesterday's one to give that. But give that a 9 out of 10. A bit of smaller portion, but midday snack or something, that'd be perfect. Really good. Here we go then, found one of the meatballs, a little bit broken up. Let's give that a try. Tuna meatball. Yeah, it's not too bad, it's just like tuna chunks. I like that flavour though, fajita sauce, nice. So there we go, campers, another food review. And I definitely recommend this. Got it from B&M, I think, for £1 or something. Seeing that, it's probably worth a try. Give it a go, see what you think. Thank you for watching.